Welcome to the Realyn collection. This collection includes dining, adult bedroom suite, and kids bedroom suites. This group that we're looking at right now has a really great traditional type feeling, but carries all of the characteristics of a vintage farmhouse feeling. The finish on these chairs and on the base of the table is done in white with a nice chipped detail around all of the edges. The legs to this table are really great. They have a square detail that's tapered to the bottom and has all of the chipping along the edges. And right above it, we've given a flower detail to create a little bit of a more feminine feel. The tops of these tables are done in a very nice light brown finish with a white wax hang-up. This finish allows for all of those dings and scratches along the way that adds all the character to this vintage type feeling and make it look natural in your home. With every chair, we have an upholstered seat. The upholstered seat is done in a gray finish that has nice brown undertones and allows you to carry the neutral colors through the whole group and allows you to have a dining collection that pairs nicely in your home. The table that we're looking at right now can seat up to 6 people. Remove this leaf and you will have a table for 4 people. So this table is sizable and allows for different sizes in the home.